New treatment alert at the salon. So Bioline Jato have released a new ultra luxe delicious treatment. It's known as the Gold treatment at the salon. And we have your traditional 3-step deep cleanse, but then we also have the glycolic acid peel, which is a no downtime peel. Think red carpet exfoliation on the skin, in the sense that you're still going to be dewy, plump, hydrated, firm, bright, and soft and supple, but with no pain or no downtime. And then we step into the gold elements. So the first one being the Bioline Jato Gold Treatment Oil. This treatment oil has gold particles in it. You can see how nice and thick and soft that oil is. Because it's based on moringa oil. So moringa oil is the most luxurious oil for human skin to work with. So incredibly soft, smells and feels delicious, even when the oil has absorbed and you don't have that greasy, oily feeling on the skin. You can still feel how soft and supple the skin is and conditioned because of the nutrient power of moringa. We also have tomato plant stem cells, and that's about a heavy metal detox from the skin. So for anyone who's got that sallow and stagnant look in their skin, the tomato stem cells are going to unlock that and bring that really bright and healthy, alive skin. And then we've also got the mask, which contains the live gold particles in it, but it's also got wild olive stem cells. And the wild olive stem cells, if you think about how dense and thick an olive skin is, that's because of the protein fibers. So we're working with those same protein fibers to restore and heal the skin, but the texture of this mask is just absolutely delicious. So it's a quick release mask, meaning you're going to get all of the different vitamins and actives into the skin. We do a full massage with it. We do the physiotherapy lift up massage that comes with the Bioline treatments, and that is designed to unlock every single muscle that's in its tense position. And what happens when we unlock that is it goes back to its place of origin, and that allows for new blood flow and lymphatic drainage and new support with all of that fresh oxygen up to the face. So it's a very youthful outcome that happens with it. And while the mask is on, we're also using the yellow LED light, which is going to be so brightening and good for healing and repair and collagen synthesis in the skin. But this treatment does not stop at the salon. When you book in for the treatment, you also receive the full-size retail sleep mask to take home, which is again got the moringa, the olive stem cells, and the tomato plant stem cells. And this product, it's a once to twice a week sleep mask. So you wear it when you go to bed and you wake up with skin like you just had a facial. So I can honestly say this is the most luxurious treatment that I offer at the salon, and I can't wait for you to come and experience it.